Today is October 25th, 2011. Here I am at the Cornish farm at the Jatropha plantation. Now these trees are getting bigger and bigger, and there is these plants are now ready, and after 2 days we are going to transfer them into the fields, into where we are going to actually plant them. And with this, all of these trees and all of these plants, see what is happening right now is that with the growth of these plants, these are very now close, and with the height going nearly 6 feet now, these plants are giving the branches are coming out, and these branches are 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, and from the branches we are getting more branches. So all of these trees here in Cornish, in Dubai, are in the desert growing very well, and we hope to have, with this transplanting of them into the other bigger area, we won't have them clustering together like this. So these trees, I'm going to actually prune some of them now, and to get more branches out of them. So once I get more branches, then each branch has 50 fruits, and 50 fruits means that 150 seeds. So when I keep pruning them after every few months, then more branches will be coming out. So this is an experiment that we did to make sure that Jatropha is viable and can grow here in the desert of UAE. And every week I am making the videos, and these videos are dated, so you can see the growth of these trees, and hopefully in 4 months time we should get the fruits from these trees. So we have all over been experimenting in UAE, and this is a success that these the Jatropha grows here in this climate without any problem. So we have to now grow this on a bigger scale, and see the amount of juice that is coming out means that this is very healthy. And I have planted Jatropha in a lot of places, and with this growth, if taken care of, this whole country can become very green, and it can lower the carbon emission and reduce the asthma and all the diseases that are cropping up in UAE because of the tremendous amount of pollution that is happening here. So this is a proof, this is a concept, and we have been able to prove this concept. And once we have proved this concept, now we are ready for a large scale plantation. So I am making these videos so that the authorities here and the people understand that this biodiesel is a very viable product and opportunity that should be availed in UAE, so that, you know, if there is a God forbid some issue and diesel cannot be imported like it is, or the refineries have an issue, we always have a backup from biodiesel, which is going to be available in all the 7 Emirates. And each Emirat, if they grow, say 10 miles by 10 miles, is like about enough for that Emirat, not only for their internal use but for export purposes also. Thank you very much, and I'll give you an update next week.